Finally, the Tesla Model 2 has officially rolled off the production line at Giga Texas. According to the latest updates, at least 3 Model 2 have been spotted neatly lined up outside the factory. What's particularly remarkable this time is that they are no longer rushing through testing areas, but are calmly moving around the factory grounds as an integral part of the official production process and fully prepared for release at any time. These may just be the first units to be completed. While it's certain that a larger batch is still being finished inside the factory, yet to be revealed. Although Tesla continues to protect certain design details under covers, some noticeable changes are already apparent. Specifically, while Tesla remains tight-lipped about the rear light design, they have publicly revealed a significant adjustment to the headlights. And perhaps even more insane is that the car's glass has been replaced with an entirely new material. So, what does the official Tesla Model 2 look like? After numerous design and material adjustments, can the car still maintain the originally announced price of $15,990? We all know the obvious truth that if a sledgehammer hits a wooden door, nothing will happen. Not even a dent will be found. But if you shoot a small stone at a sheet of glass, we think that would crack the corner of the glass, and then a chain reaction happens with the cracks spreading along seemingly tiny lines, and your game is over. You surely still remember the Cybertruck window shattering. Think back to the shocking moment in 2019 when the Tesla electric truck's window shattered on stage. An event that many people will never forget. To this day, that type of glass still raises many questions about its material and durability. To address these concerns, recent insider information from Tesla engineers and the latest images spotted at Giga Texas reveal that Elon has upgraded the Model 2 with a revolutionary glass material currently being used on Starship. After the 2019 failure of the bulletproof glass revealed on the Tesla Cybertruck, the incident left many people unable to stop thinking about this type of glass. Following this, Elon Musk promised to fix the bulletproof glass's shortcomings with a new material. He introduced transparent metal glass, a material that promises to revolutionize all Tesla models, especially the Tesla Model 2. While transparent aluminum has appeared in films like Star Trek, it has now become a practical material. CMIT, Clear Materials Innovation Technology, the exclusive supplier of transparent aluminum, is partnering with Tesla to create this glass, promising to make the Model 2 a stronger and more durable vehicle. Transparent aluminum, also known as transparent aluminum armor, is a ceramic alloy made from aluminum oxide. It is processed at extremely high pressure and temperature to form tiles or sheets, with the initial result being opaque. However, after treatment and polishing, the final product is a transparent glass created through such a complex manufacturing process. Transparent aluminum is considered the toughest transparent polyricrystalline ceramic today, being half the weight and twice as hard as regular bulletproof glass. It is resistant to scratches, radiation, various acids and bases, and can even withstand extremely high temperatures. Large-scale impact tests have shown that it can endure significant force, making it an ideal material for use in glass. The transparent aluminum alone used on the Tesla Model 2 has a thickness of about 0.16 in and can stop a bullet from a .050 caliber rifle. Something that regular bulletproof glass, which is 3.7 in thick, cannot do. The bullet cannot penetrate alone and is not easily scratched, cracked, or damaged like laminated glass, helping reduce glass replacement costs. Whenever a small crack appears, alone prevents it from spreading, extending the glass's lifespan, and it could outlast the EV itself with a durability of up to 70 years. This is why alone is considered the ideal material for the Cybertruck's windows, especially when Elon Musk talks about the vehicle reaching Mars in the future, where windshields and windows need to withstand impacts from small meteoroids. NASA has proven that alone can endure impacts without chipping. Research by Dr. Leslie Lamerson, an impact physics expert at the Colorado School of Mines, states that alone is a great choice for spacecraft windows. And with technological advancements, we might even see items like smartphone screens made from transparent aluminum instead of tempered glass. When Tesla Model 2 incorporated transparent aluminum alone, into its production, the vehicle saw a significant improvement in both quality and aesthetics. With its superior durability, Alone has proven its ability to protect passengers has been enhanced while also reducing glass replacement costs, as Alone is less prone to scratches or cracks compared to laminated glass. Furthermore, the lifespan of Alone extends up to 70 years, ensuring the longevity of the Model 2 compared to other materials and minimizing maintenance and replacement efforts. Aesthetically, Alone enhances the Model 2's appearance with its transparent glass, adding a touch of luxury and modernity. Alone's resistance to strong impacts ensures the vehicle retains its pristine look, remaining free from chips or damage despite environmental impacts. The Alone glass is not only beautiful, but also acts as an armor, creating a design that is both refined and extremely durable and safe. However, what worries us the most right now is that if Tesla uses this new material for the Model 2, will the $15,990 price still be guaranteed? How much will the price of the Model 2 increase? Would you choose a Tesla Model 2 priced at $15,990 with basic designs and materials? Or would you opt for a vehicle with the high-tech transparent aluminum Alone material, possibly priced at $30,000 or $40,000? Let us know in the comments below. We will carefully read all of your opinions. The undeniable reality is that transparent aluminum Alone is very expensive, costing about 5 times more than traditional laminated glass. The cost of commercial aluminum glass ranges from $10 to $15 per square meter, meaning a 1 square FT sheet would cost between $1,440 and $1,500, $2,160. In contrast, traditional glass is priced from $2 to $3 per square meter without the complex manufacturing steps required for Alone. While Alone has excellent light dispersion capabilities, it can be affected by impurities or chemicals which may impact its transparency and cause other defects. The production process of Alone is a precise operation carried out with specialized tools to polish the super hard material. Therefore, the cost will certainly increase significantly and will raise the price.